Hello and welcome to the 9th tutorial in the Cocos2d-JS version 3 series. In this part we're going to be looking at positioning using the MoveBy method. We'll be using the source code from the 7th tutorial in this series. If you don't have it, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description. Cocos2d-JS provides us with loads of useful functionality for moving a node. Most things in Cocos2d-JS are nodes such as sprites and menu items. We will look at positioning using the MoveBy method, which offsets the node's current position, essentially allowing you to provide X and Y values which will move it relative from its current position. So let's just go ahead and open up our project. I'm going to open up our app.js file. And the first thing you need to do is create an action to be able to use the MoveBy method, because the MoveBy method is actually an action. So I'm going to do var, call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it sprite underscore action equal to cc.moveBy. This takes two parameters. The first parameter is how long you want the action to take. I'm going to put 2, and that is in seconds, so it'll take 2 seconds. And then you put the offset, so cc.p, and I want it to move 50 by 100 from its current position. Its current position is the center of the screen. And then the next thing to do is actually run the sprite, run the action on the sprite. So sprite.run action, then sprite action, save that, and now what we can do is go to desktop, open up terminal, cd, drag and drop my project onto here, Cocos run -p web. Okay, let's go into the console, see if there's any errors. There is an error indeed. So run action must be none. No. Okay, let's have a look. What's it moan about? Looking a-okay to me. That's weird. I've got the name correct, yep. I've got .run action, I've got open close bracket. I'm going to try one thing. We go to my web browser. I'm going to clear just the cached images and files. I'll find that sometimes that has causing problems. No, still causing issues. Okay, app.js. .run action. Take a look at it closely. Action seems to be spelled correctly, so there's the word run. We've got the sprite from here. Let's have a look at the actual action itself. Maybe I've initialized incorrectly. So cc.moveBy 2, cc.p 50, 100. Oh, close bracket, semicolon. Very interesting indeed that it isn't working. Let's just comment this out a second. Run our application. Okay, we get no errors. That's good. We need to go back in here for it to do that. Let's see what would happen if I were to change this to move 2. Still doesn't like that either. So let's just confirm we got this all correctly. Var sprite action equals cc.moveBy. Figured it out. My bad. I forgot to put .create. You gotta create the action. So if I refresh this now, I am positive that it's gonna work. There we go. My bad, that's just another little tip for you. Make sure you put the .create. You may not miss it, I just missed it right there. Okay, so yeah, let's just go back to it and refresh. So it starts in the center, it moves 50 pixels right, 100 pixels up, and over a period of 2 seconds, so it moved in a diagonal manner. Little thing to note, you can't reuse actions for different nodes. You either need to create a new one or release the old one and construct it again. Recommended you just create a new action for the different nodes. Little task for you to do using a screen size variable, which is this one right here. And we use this to set the position of the sprite, and we use it to set the position of the sprite so it's dynamic and it's always in the center. Use this so when you run this action, aka we're looking at this parameter mainly, it moves it by the same amount on the various different screen sizes. This may take a little bit of thinking, but it will be well worth the effort and will help towards getting dynamic gameplay into your future game, so you can target as many devices as you need to. The next tutorial will cover positioning using the jump to method, which allows your node to jump to a set point on the screen relative to its original position. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video, just directly message us via YouTube, or the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.